just to document the methodology here. So those cement slabs up there, those cement planks, are supported by these huge beams on the ends. And in the middle they put in some temporary wood supports everywhere. Lots and lots of them, because there's going to be a lot of weight coming down here. And so they're all over the place. And then after about 5 days, they can take these down. Not all of them, but about 50% of them. And then in another week or so, they can take them all down, and then this is just going to be wide open space. Again, because it has been there before, but they have to redo everything as they move up. Okay, bye for now.